Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta alternator failing and discusses commonly documented reasons why charging system problems may occur in this model. In general terms, an alternator failure in a Ford Fiesta can affect battery charging and overall electrical stability. This issue has been documented across multiple model years, although the exact cause and severity can vary depending on engine type, mileage, and electrical load. Some versions may show early warning signs such as dimming lights or battery warnings, while others may develop issues gradually over time. Verified information shows that alternator failure in the Ford Fiesta may be related to internal component wear, including voltage regulator degradation or bearing wear as mileage increases. Electrical connection issues, such as worn wiring or poor grounding, have also been identified in documented service data as contributing factors. In certain cases, excessive electrical load or a failing battery may place additional strain on the alternator, potentially accelerating wear. Older generations may experience these concerns more frequently due to age-related component fatigue, while newer models could still be affected depending on usage conditions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally focus on proper diagnostic testing of the charging system, including checking alternator output, battery condition, and related wiring. Replacing the alternator may be required if internal failure is confirmed, while addressing battery or wiring issues may help prevent repeat problems. Regular inspections can reduce the likelihood of sudden charging system failure. Available long-term reliability data indicates that alternator-related issues do not affect every Ford Fiesta and may differ by driving conditions and maintenance history. Some vehicles operate without problems for extended periods, while others may experience charging concerns as components age. In conclusion, alternator failure in the Ford Fiesta can have multiple contributing factors, and not every vehicle will be affected in the same way. Diagnosis and repair should always be based on the specific vehicle condition, model year, and usage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.